Hello, students. Welcome to the next session of our online spoken English class. And today, in this video, we are going to listen to the audio of our chapter family. And the first part of the chapter family, of the unit family, that is the family that eats together, lives together. And after listening the video, or sorry, after listening the audio, we will try to complete the exercise which is given on page number 34. So let us first listen to the audio, and in that audio, there are certain instructions which are given about how food should be eaten. And then, on the basis of the listening, we'll try to understand and do the assignments or do the activities in the book. So let us listen to the audio.
Lesson 1. The family that eats together stays together. Listening 1. Listen to the instructions being given about how to eat your food. You must chew all the food until it is of the consistency of cream. And you must also sip all liquids slowly. Remember, you must not only chew your food to the consistency of cream for 1 or 2 months, you must make this practice a lifelong habit. It has been proved over and over again that in doing this, the brain and muscles are both made stronger and keener for work, and that those who chew their food in this way have much greater endurance, both mental and physical, than those who do not. If you cannot take time to eat a meal in this way, you had much better go hungry. Taking time to eat your food will keep you thin. In regard to the amount of food taken, judgment must of course be used. We all know that it is possible to eat too little, but you should always quit eating while you still feel you would like a little more. I know of no better guide than this to offer you. It will stop your stomach from getting dilated and stretching. One reason why a large number of people are troubled with gas, even though they do chew their food to a cream, is because they immediately follow a meal with 1 or 2 cups of tea or coffee. Plain hot water is the very best drink in the world. If you want a drink after your meal, drink a cup of plain hot water. And you should also drink a cup of hot water half an hour before breakfast. If you do not care for breakfast and feel you do not need this meal, drink the hot water anyway. Drink a liter or more of cold water between meals every day. Lesson 3. Family Value.
So now, on the basis of our listening to the instructions, let us do the first exercise, which is a cause and effect table. So, in some blanks, the effect is written, and we have to write the cause, while in other, the cause is written, and then we have to write the effect. So, the first one, becomes like cream. So, why when the food becomes like cream? When the food is chewed well, so it becomes like cream. Makes the muscles of the brain stronger. What makes the muscles of the brain stronger? Chewing food to consistency of cream, means chewing food in such a way that it changes into a cream, makes the muscles of the brain stronger. Eating slowly. So, if you eat slowly, then it keeps you thin. Quiet eating before stomach is full. keeps your stomach from dilating and stretching. Drinking tea or coffee just after a meal, it causes gas problems. Means people who are suffering from gas problems, so this is the reason that they drink tea or coffee just after a meal. Now, let us do the second question. You have to listen to the passage again, and which of these phrases did you hear? Number them in the order that you heard them. Mark a cross against the phrases that did not appear in the text. Means you have to number the phrases which appeared in the text uh, according to the sequence in which they come, and if the sentence is not there in the audio, then you have to put a cross. So the first one is a lifelong habit. Second, keener for work. Third, better go hungry. Fourth, you do not care for breakfast. Now, the C and the A part are not there in the passage, so you can put a cross in front of them. Now, the third question based on the audio, make these inferences from your understandings of the instructions. Whom could the speaker be addressing? So, the speaker is addressing a group of overweight adults. Who can be physically stronger? Those who take time to eat. When should a person go hungry? Yes, the answer is when he does not have time to eat slowly. What should one's judgment be used for? To decide how much to eat. So, I hope with the help of this audio, you will be able to complete your exercise. Till the next session, goodbye.